हेलो फ्रेंड, जैसे कि मुझे पता है आप लोग सभी अभी अपने एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में पूरे बिजी हैं और आप लोगों का जो नेक्स्ट संडे को एग्जाम होने वाला है उसी रिस्पेक्ट में मैं 1 वीक का एक 7 days टू गो एंड 7 mock tests फॉर द साइंस एग्जामिनेशन आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. प्लीज वॉच इट एंड इट विल हेल्प यू इन एग्जामिनेशन फॉर द केमिस्ट्री पार्ट ओनली. Okay, now we will see what are the question I have taken here. One by one we will do here, and please like and share and suggest me if you want to add something in these questions. Okay, now come to the first question. The most stable, the most suitable method of separation of one ratio one mixture of ortho and para nitrosamine. Now, first thing is how it is prepared. How it is prepared, why we are going to separate, and how we will separate. Okay, everyone you know that how we are. First thing is how to paranitro and orthonitro are mixed in a solution. They, whenever the phenol react with the HNO3, it will form the mixture of ortho and orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, in which now we know that if we want to separate this, these are come in the both in a one solution. In the one solution, orthonitrophenol, ortho and para both are product coming in the same container. Now we want to first how to separate. The method which is suitable, that is the steam distillation. Now why we are using the steam distillation and which one will be separate here? In this one, ortho and para both are the orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol both are the substance are present in this one. But now you remember that this orthonitrophenol form intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. In the same time, these are formed these are formed intermolecular hydrogen bond. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding are low boiling point. They are low boiling point. While in comparison of the orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol are more boiling point. So that it is, so this one will be a steam volatile in respect to the paranitrophenol. So now the method is used that is called steam distillation, but sublimation is not used here because sublimation is the process to separate any solid directly converted into gaseous state. That process is called the sublimation. And chromatography, we are saying whenever one is a mobile phase substance and another is not mobile, and crystallization to making a separation of solid substance. Now come to the second question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Okay, denaturation makes the protein more effective. This is wrong statement. Why? What is the first meaning? What is the meaning of denaturation? Denaturation meaning, it means that the activity of protein is diminished. Activity of protein is diminished. Here. So what it means? They are not showing. They are not now active. How? What are the factors? Factors which affect the denaturation. How the denaturation is happen? Yeah. How the denaturation is happen? And what are the factors? One is the pH. Whenever we are going to change, then denaturation is happen. Now second is boiling. Yeah, increasing the temperature. Increasing temperature also. And what is the meaning of example of the denaturation? Boiling of egg. If we boil the egg, then the protein is not active now. It is diminished. Means protein activity is diminished. So your answer is the first one. Okay. And all other are correct answer. Can you read? Come to the next one. The heating of phenyl methyl ether with the HI. First thing is phenyl methyl ether. This is phenyl methyl ether. Methoxybenzene also we call it, and it react with HI. Whenever it react with ether is react with the HI, this is the SN1, this is the SN2 mechanism. Please remember this one. And it will break down this one bond, then H will and I will. Then what is formed? It will form phenol plus CH3I. But remember that whenever we have taken some extra point, note point I'm writing here, this is your answer for this one, but I'm telling you some important point about the ether also. If we are taking ether, CH2O, CH3, and it react with the HI, it is again SN2 reaction I am saying. Please be remember. And in this, what is happened? Always be remember where this side is a carbon atom 2, this side is a carbon atom 1. So please remember the carbon atom where is the less number of carbon atom, that side will be a iodide part, iodine will join, and this side will be I will join, and this side will be H will join. So it is from alcohol, and second one is iodine. But the same time, if we are going to change once, if we are taking X's in amount, if I am taking CH3, CH2, OCH3 plus HI in X's amount, then what is happen? All are the important question. It is also SN2 mechanism. Okay, but here, this one again, please be remember, both the side I will form. I plus CH3. One more note point. This one is the most important question. If like this compound is coming, CH3, 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 OCH3. Now, what will happen here? Now you will say, sir, SN2 reaction will happen, and then this one less number of it will form CH3I, and plus this one is the OH. No, wrong. This is not will happen. Here, what will happen? Please be remember here, what is the concept here? The concept is that it is a plus I factor. All are showing the plus I effect. Then whenever is a plus I effect, then it will show SN1 mechanism, not SN2. Please be remember. Then this electron will go this side. Then I will join this one carbon atom. I will join this side, and plus CH3 OH small carbon will form alcohol. It will happen only when the larger group, yeah, plus I effect are more group are there. This is the more important question. All the concept I have given you, and here the only for this one question answer is a phenol. Come to the next question. The correct increasing order of basic strength of the following compound. Basic strength, basicity increases when plus I group, plus I effect, or you can say that plus M increases, so basic also increases. Basic nature also increases. And when minus I effect increases and minus M effect is increases, then basic nature you can say that decreases, or you can say that acidic nature is increases. So here you see the CH3 is a plus I, NO2 is minus M. Now this one is the common. So plus I effect increases, so means basic nature increases, so it is the most basic, and this one is the least basic, and this is the in between. So now you can say that the third one is the maximum. In this one, now you see the third one is maximum. So answer is first. Come to next. Which of the following pair species have the same bond order? This one video I have in my, you see in my all the videos I have already discussed how to calculate the bond order and their nature. Here I am telling you again and again, but just you write 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 counting, and left side also 13, 12, 11 till here, and you write the bond order 3 here. Bond order. Now 0.5 you decrease, 2.5 to 1.5, 1 like that. This side you also do same, 0.5 decrease, 2.52, 1. Now you calculate the total number of electron. In the nitrogen, total number of electron, same bond order you need to calculate, 14. And in this one, the bond order 3. You see here, 3 bond order. O2 negative, 18 to the 16 or 1 more, 17. 17 mean 1.5. This is not answer. Come to the CO. CO means 8 or 6, 14, and NO 15. So means 14, 3, and this one is a 2.5 bond order. This is not correct. O2 16, N 7, 8, 15, or 1 positive. 7 or 8, 15, 1 positive, 14. So now this is the 3, this is the 2, not correct. Come to this, C6 plus 7, 13, 1 negative charge, 14, CO, 8, 14, and both are having 3 bond order. So your answer is 4. Come to next. Name the gas that contain readily decolorized acidic KMnO4. Okay, this now in this one, please remember the point. P2O5 is the most. This is the acidic oxide. It will not react, and it is present in the maximum oxidation state. You can say then, and KMnO4 is work as an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. So if it is a higher in a oxidation state, then it further not be oxidized. And CO2 is also in a +4 oxidation state, then it also not again oxidized. Whenever we come to the NO2 and NO2 comes to NO free radicals in the gaseous atom, so it will not react. So only the left is SO2, and SO2 whenever oxidized, then you see KMnO4 plus SO2 in the presence of H2SO4, it decolorizes the KMnO4. KMnO4 is a pink color, you know everyone, pink color. So what is happen? It forms K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus 5. Okay, its oxidation state, it is reduced. Okay, it decolorizes the KMnO4. Your answer is SO. Come to next question. A first order reaction has the specific rate of 10 to the power -2 second inverse. How much time will be taken to 20 gram of reactant to reduce to 5 gram? So first one, you know that first order rate K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 base initial upon after time. Okay, so now K is given 10 to the power -2 is equal to 2.303 into T upon T log 10 base. Initial it was a 20 gram, and after time it will be a 5 gram. It will come 4 times. So T is equal to 2.303 upon 10 to the power -2 into log 4. Log 4 means 2 pi square. So T is equal to 2.303 upon 10 to the power -2 into log 2 means 2 into log 2. And log 2, everyone, you know that value 0.3010. 2.303 upon 10 to the power -2 into 2 into 0.3010. This one T equal to 2.303 into 2 into, it will come 30.10. 10 to the power 2 will come, go up, and it will be 100 multiplied by, and then this will start so this near to 120, more than 120. So 120, 138. This is the answer. So you can calculate 138.6 seconds. Your answer. Come to next. The concentration of Ag positive ion in the saturated solution of Ag2C2O4 is itna. Ag concentration, please be remember what is saying. Ag2C2O4, whenever it dissociate into Ag positive plus C2O4, 2 negative. Here it is 2s now, and this is the s. But according to question, what is saying? The concentration of Ag, the concentration at the saturated solution is 2.2 into 10 to the power 4. So now you can say that 2s, this value is given as 2.2 into 10 to the power -4. So s is equal to how much? 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? And now it's now calculate the solubility product. What is the solubility now? ASP is equal to Ag concentration का square into C2O4 2 negative. Now Ag is a 2s square into s. 4s square into s equal to 4s cube, and equal to Ksp is equal to 4 into s cube. S means 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 4 cube equal to 1.21 into 1.1 121 121 1331 123 1.3 cube of 1.1 is 4 into 1.331 into 10 to the power minus 12. 4 के 12 1 13 5.8 10 to the power minus 5.3 10 to the power minus 12. Answer A is correct. Come to next one. With respect of the conformation of ethane, which of the following statement is true? Both bond angle and bond length remain same. Bond angle remains same, but bond angle length change. Bond angle change, but bond length both bond angle. Now, first is that ethane. Which conformation? Conformation of ethane are two conformation. One is called eclipsed, and another is called staggered. This is the eclipsed form. This is the eclipsed, and another one is called staggered. This one is staggered. This is called staggered. And now, what you will think? You will think that this is going to rotate and bond length is not changing, only the bond angle is changing. No. What is the meaning of the bond length and bond angle? Now you remember, this is the ethane molecule. Here, what is happening really? This bond angle not change. Bond angle between this one and this one hydrogen is always remain same. Okay, this bond angle always remains same. Only the back side, this view is going to change. Please be remember, nothing will change when this many of the students doing the wrong. In this one, this is the observation for whenever we are taking the circular line. If you see this one bond angle, this will not never will be changed, and bond length always will be same. So which one is a true? So true is both bond angle and bond length remain same. Please remember, this one is the most important question. Okay, come to the next question. Identify A and predict the type of reaction. Okay, this one. Now here is an NaNH. Okay, now this is the OCS, and it displays 1 minute. Here is the double bond. Here double bond and double bond. This is going to reaction with NaNH. Place will be a Br here, and here is a H. So now what will happen? NaBr is and NH3 also. What will product? First is this one, like OCS3. This. Again, this NH3 again reacting lone pair. So where it will attack? It will attack this place. So now this will form NH3 and it will be a positive charge. At the same time, this electron shift here and it will get a negative charge. Double bond, double bond, double bond, and OCS3. Now what will happen? The proton transfer. Proton transfer. Then you will get OCS3 and here NH3. Okay, so this one is product. So now what is happening here? This is the substitution reaction. So this is the substitution reaction and this is the product. Answer is B. Come to next. Which of the following is a sink for slope? Plants, microorganisms. Please remember, soil is natural sink for the ability, the soil ability to remove CO from the atmosphere is due to the activity of microbes. Our answer is, if we are seeing the soil, so it means directly microorganisms. So your answer is C. Come to next. In which pair of the ion both these species contain SS bond? So first of all, you draw the structure for each one. S4O6, 2 negative. So S4O6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is S4O6, 2 negative. S2, S2O7, S2O7, SOS, double bond O, O negative, double bond O, and O negative. This is S2O7, 2 negative. Next one is S2O3, S, double bond S, S2O3, 2 negative. This one is S2O3, 2 negative. Next one is S2O8, S2O8. This is the structure of S2O8, 2 negative. Now you can check. This is the S2O3, 2 negative. This is S2O8, 2 negative. 2 negative. Now you can check in which SS bond is present. SS bond is present in, one is S2O3 and another one is S4O6. S2O3 and S4O6. Yani ki option is C answer. Come to next. Pick out of the correct statement of the respective MNC and whole 6 and DSP2 hybridization is partner. First you see here the 6 ligand. So whenever you have seen the 6 ligand, so it should be octahedral. So now tetrahedral and square planar is not an answer. This is a tetrahedral and square planar will not your answer. So answer either be a octahedral, this one and this one. So now you go for the hybridization. Either it be inner octahedral or outer octahedral. So two are the wrong. Now come to the how to do Mn25 3D 54S2. In this one you calculate the oxidation state of Mn. X plus 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. So X will be at plus 3. So what will be the oxidation state now? Mn3 positive equal to 3D4, 4S1, 4S0, 4PG. Now see the ligand. The D is 4, ground state. 1, 2, 3. Now again you see CN is a strong ligand. Strong ligand. So what you will do the wrong here, I am telling you, you will pair all the work of the strong ligand, pairing electron. Pairing electron. Now this one is the S, this one is the P. So we need only 2 empty orbital because we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and we need a 2. 1 we have already and we need a 1. So what will happen? The CN will be pairing of electron. This is called rearrange state. So now 1, 2, 1, 2. And this one will 2 will be empty 2 orbital. So now what is the hybridization? This is D2 sp3. If you are going, please remember here all the electron will not paired up because we need only one more empty orbital. So mu is equal to for this one and root and into n plus 2 plus 2 4 to the root. Now we can calculate. So our option is octahedral, but hybridization is D2 sp3. So option is 4. Clear? Next question. The equilibrium constant of the following, this one. The equilibrium constant now here. So now first you do, what is this one? Now, is this one for, I am saying K1, K1 is equal to NS3 square upon N2 into H2 cube. This one K2 is equal to NO square upon N2 into O2. Third one, K3 is equal to H2O upon H2 into O2 to the power 1 by. But for this one, K is equal to how much? NO square H4 cube upon NS3 square into O2 to the power 5 by. Now, what we need in the upper space? We need NO. NO is in the K2. And it need a square, that we are having a square. Second, H2 we are in a cube, and then H2 in a simple case. So now you write into K3, and it is a cube in the form of cube. We need a cube upon, and we need a NS3 in the upper, so it will be a K1. So your answer will be a K2 into K3 cube upon K1. K2 into K3 cube upon K1. Option number C is correct. Come to the next. The mixture of chloroxylenol and terpinol act as. These are the mixture. Both the mixture are used in a making of. These are used in making of Detols. These are the constituent of the Detol. And Detol is antibiotic, anti-analgesic, antiseptic, and antipyretic. That is a antiseptic. Please be remember. This question I have already discussed in my earlier video. Please go through it. And I have already drawn all the structure of terpinol and chloroxylenol. Come to next one. It is because of instability of NS2 electron of the valence cell to participate in bonding that. Okay. SN4 is reducing while will be the, please be remember, this is the inert pair effect question. Inert pair effect. Please be remember. This is question from inert pair effect. First be remember, inert pair effect is work in a 13, 14 and 15th group element. This is the belonging to 13, 14 and 15 group element, and period should be 5th and 6th period. Here only work as 15 inert pair effect. Okay. Now what is meaning of the inert pair? One journal form telling you the 13 group Gajar in Thela. This is the element of 13 group. 14 Kasi Gaye Sant Pandit. Sant Pandit TV. Then Nana Patekar Aaj Sabji Bechega. Now you see. So what is happening? Ki general oxidation of state of this one is the +4. You know that. This one is the +5, and this one is +3. So whenever we are going top, the +3 stability is increases. +4 oxidation state is increases. Plus oxidation state generally increases whenever you are going to downward. But in the case of the thallium, lead, and this one, period number 2, 3, 4, 5, in these one, the inert paired effect is happen. Inert paired is work when the total number of electron is 18 plus. Work in 18 plus. Okay. Yeah, you can say that all the NS completed, and in the P1, 1, 2, 3 electron is present. So what is happening? They are showing this one general oxidation state is +3, but this one is the stable state is +1, because in the last cell of this group is the 1 electron. This one showing the +2, and this one showing the +3. Now here we are going to discuss about the SN, and it is also +2. So it's showing the +2 and +4 oxidation state. SN2 positive as well as SN4 positive. So in this one, SN2 is the more stable than that of this one. So now its nature, if it's a more stable, then it is a more reducing agent. This is reducing agent and this is oxidizing agent. So now your answer is second. Come to next. The extraction of gold and silver involve leaching with CN ion. Silver is later recovered by. Okay. First, please, this is the leaching process. It's saying. Okay. Please be remember this process is also called process, means extraction of gold and silver, AU and AZ. This method is called MacArthur Forest process. First point, what is happening here? Because you know that these are present in the our earth crust, the sulfide ore or any other ore, they will react cyanide process, NaCl, so form a soluble complex. This is the soluble Cn gold-wise plus B+. This is the soluble. So now you're asking the silver later. After that, whenever it formed, so which metal is used to separate the Ag? So now here the zinc is used to separate and then it forms Ag plus Na2 Zn Cn whole 2. Please remember here Cn is a 2, here is a Cn is 4. So which metal is used? That is zinc displacement. And second one, liquefaction and distillation other. One telling I am telling you this is the zone refining. This is also important. Zone refining. The only one question is always asking, what is the use of zone refining? It is used to extraction of metalloids. Metalloid extraction. Yeah, you can say the semiconductor extraction. And these are silicon, germanium, and gallium, germanium. These are the examples. Come to next question. A 20-liter of container at 400 Kelvin contains CO2 at atmosphere ethanitium and axis of CR. Neglect the volume of solid SR. So the volume of container now decreases by moving in the movable piston fitter in the container. The maximum volume container when the pressure CO2 attain the maximum value will be and equilibrium. Now here first it is given. So equilibrium is Kp is equal to. So what is the Kp for it? This is a solid, this is a solid only. It depends on pressure of CO2. And here is given at Kp is equal to 1.6. It means pressure of CO2 is 1.6. Kp is given. Now, again you think here the temperature is constant and changing in the volume and pressure is given. Initial pressure was 0.4. So what is the P1 V1 equal to P2 V2, constant temperature. Okay. P1 is equal to 0.4 initially, volume 20 liter. It's asking the what is the final volume. So after that volume is 1.6 and you need to calculate V2. So V2 is equal to 0.4 into 20 upon 1.6. 4 times 5 is equal to 5 liter. Your answer is B. Come to next. This is an important question. The correct order of the stoichiometry of AgCl form when AgNO3 in X. Okay, what is saying कि we are adding AgNO3 AgCl form होगा whenever we are mixing AgNO3 in the all the. देखो first one is COCl3.6 NH3. Okay, what will happen? So now we can write it. All are the first. What is the maximum form NH3? 6 and its coordination number is always cobalt is remembered 6 then Cl3. Second one compound is COCl3.5 NH5 NH3. So it means CONH3 whole 5 Cl because we need to complete the 6 ligand here. So remaining third one is COCl3 4NH3. What how we will write CONH3 whole 4 Cl2 and 1 Clb outside plus adding AgNO3 plus AgNO3. So how many moles of AgNO3 required? So here you see how to calculate number of Cl here. So we need 3 Cl, 3 AgNO3. And here how many Cl? 2. So we need a 2 AgNO3. Here 1. So we need. So how many AgCl form? Here will form 3 AgCl. In this one, twice AgCl. In this one, 1 AgCl. So what is your answer? 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. So answer is correct answer. Which one of the wrong statement? The energy of 2s orbital is less than the energy of 2p orbital in the case of hydrogen like atom. D Broglie lambda is equal to h upon mv. Okay, this is the correct. Uncertainty principle, Heisenberg uncertainty delta. Okay, delta E into delta T is greater h upon 4pi. This is correct. Half filled and full filled orbital have greater stability due to greater exchange energy, greater symmetry, and more balanced arrangement. This is correct. But now, whenever you will read, you will pick this one answer. Why? Because you know that we are filling the first, then two. But this is not correct for hydrogen. For hydrogen, this is not correct. For hydrogen, what is the correct? 1s, 2s equal to 2p, then greater 3s equal to 3p equal to 3d, like that. Then 4s, 4p, 4d, like that. For the hydrogen atom, all the cell having the same energy. Okay, but here it's saying if 2p energy more energy than the 2s. No, it is equal. So your wrong statement is first. So your answer is first. Thank you everyone for watching, and please share and like. I will come with daily 20 questions till Friday, and it will helpful for you all. Thank you.